Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to crop image using Microsoft Paint. Okay, just open your computer, I mean this PC or my computer, and select your file. In this case I'm storing my pictures in this directory pictures. You can see we are going to crop this picture. Right click on it and choose open with and choose paint. Okay, you can use this select button and just select the portion like this. Okay, after selection is complete, just press this crop, this option crop. Also you can see there is a shortcut for cropping, Ctrl Shift X, like just select like this and press Ctrl Shift X. We can also save this file as PNG or something new. Cropped. That's it. We have successfully cropped image. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.